Mega Mall. And papunta ako sa Belo para i-try naman yung service nila. Baka ma-improve nila yung skin ko. It's the Belo at the 5th floor sa may Atrium building. So, sisimulan na ang aking Spanish peel with fractional needling. Ayan, so kalalagay lang sa akin ng cream anesthesia. 1 hour tong ibababad muna. So 1 hour pa ako dito. Nakaganito lang.
Applying your toner and your creams, avoid lang po yung around the eyes. So, okay na po.
Okay na. Thanks. Anyway, ang tagal ng 1 hour buti binigyan nila ako ng kape. So, ito yung gamot ko and it's 22,000. This is 22,000 and this one is 9,000. Buti na lang pwedeng 3 months installment. Tapos na banlawan and ngayon sabi i-prick daw muna niya itong mga pimples. Okay lang po. Parang ganito lang ako pag nagpapa-facial.
Naku, mami, hindi.
Diba? Babalik na ako. Papasok kaya ako sa sitwasyon ko na to? Hindi ko alam. Pauwi na ako. Papaasyas ko kay Mother Dear kung kailangan ko pumasok. So, this is my face at 7:44 in the evening. Nandito na ako sa office. Hi! It's 12 a.m. na. And this is how I look. Hi, G. Oh, he's asleep. Din? Actually, yung ba ganun na ever nagnipis na? Lang kami dito sa McDonald's, which is katapat ng HMR. Saan na ka? Nakuya. It's lang ang 1-piece chicken McDo, yung D. Ano love, saan dyan? So, it's 2 o'clock in the morning and namumula pa rin siya. Hi there! So, it's already 6:49 in the morning. This is my review on Belo's service last night. So, first of all, ang appointment ko is 4 o'clock. So, you can set up your appointment via their app or you may call their Belo landline. Yung sa akin, nagkataon na nasa Mega Mall ako kaya nagpunta ako ng Belo at pagpunta mo doon, ikaw talaga yung iintindihin. So, all in all, yun nga, I like the service of Belo in terms of their service yesterday kasi hindi pa natin nakikita yung effect ngayon. But sa hindi sila nag-upsell, they're really into making you beautiful kasi their concern is to monitor also yung mga mangyayari. So, by January 12, papunta ako ng Romblon. So, January 11, pinababalik muna ako doon to see kung ano na nangyari and mag-undergo ko ng glycolic peel. So, ayan, medyo sumisikat yung araw but it's still okay pa yung araw, hindi pa masakit. It's just 7 o'clock in the morning. So, that's all for today. That's my review sa Belo service sa SM